Norway is a land where nature's wonders come alive. From dramatic fjords to mesmerizing northern lights, this Nordic treasure is a must-visit. Imagine exploring 15 breathtaking places that showcase the very best of Norway. Whether you're a nature lover, history buff, or just someone looking for a stunning getaway, there's something here for you. And trust me, number 1 will surprise you. Ready to embark on this journey? Let's dive into the heart of Norway's most stunning locations. 15. Fjord. Nestled in the heart of the Norwegian fjords, Fjord is a place where nature's grandeur is on full display. Towering cliffs, thundering waterfalls, and deep blue waters create a landscape that feels almost mythical. As you sail through the fjord, you'll pass by abandoned mountain farms like Skagaflo, clinging to the steep slopes. The best views are from the Eagle Road, where you can see the fjord winding through the mountains below. It's a place that stays with you long after you've left, a true jewel in Norway's crown. 14. Lofoten Islands. The Lofoten Islands are a paradise for those who crave the raw beauty of nature. Picture this: jagged peaks rising from the sea, colorful fishing villages dotting the coastline, and pristine beaches that look almost tropical. The islands are known for their dramatic landscapes, perfect for hiking, kayaking, and even surfing. Winter brings the northern lights, while summer offers the midnight sun, giving you endless daylight to explore. Don't forget to visit the Viking Museum in Borg, where you can step back in time and experience life as a Viking. Lofoten is wild, untamed, and utterly unforgettable. 13. Tromsø is your gateway to the Arctic, a city where adventure and culture meet. Known as the gateway to the Arctic, Tromsø is surrounded by fjords, mountains, and endless wilderness. It's one of the best places in the world to see the northern lights. During the summer, the midnight sun shines bright, offering 24 hours of daylight. Take a ride on the Fjellheisen cable car for panoramic views of the city and surrounding mountains. Don't miss the Arctic Cathedral, a striking piece of architecture inspired by the northern lights. Tromsø is a city that embraces the wild, with an urban heart that beats strong. 12. Oslo is a city where modernity meets tradition. As Norway's capital, it's a vibrant metropolis with world-class museums, stunning architecture, and lush green spaces. Visit Vigeland Park, home to over 200 sculptures by Gustav Vigeland, or explore the Viking Ship Museum, where you can see some of the world's best preserved Viking ships. The Royal Palace and the Oslo Opera House offer a glimpse into Norway's rich cultural heritage. And don't forget to take a stroll along the Oslofjord, where the city meets the sea. Oslo is more than just a city. It's a gateway to Norway's past, present, and future. 11th. Bergen, known as the gateway to the fjords, is a city of contrasts. With its colorful wooden houses lining the UNESCO-listed Bryggen Wharf, Bergen is steeped in history. Take the Fløibanen funicular up Mount Fløyen for breathtaking views of the city and surrounding fjords. The fish market is a must-visit, offering fresh seafood and local delicacies. Bergen is also the starting point for the Norway in a Nutshell tour, which takes you through some of Norway's most stunning landscapes. Whether you're exploring the historic streets or venturing out into the wilderness, Bergen is a city that will capture your heart. 10th. Preikestolen, Pulpit Rock. Preikestolen, or Pulpit Rock, is one of Norway's most iconic hiking destinations. The hike to the top is a challenging but rewarding journey, with breathtaking views of the Lysefjord waiting for you at the summit. The flat-topped cliff rises 604 meters above the fjord, offering a panoramic view that's nothing short of spectacular. It's a popular day trip from Stavanger, attracting visitors from all over the world. If you're up for the challenge, the experience is well worth the effort. Just be sure to bring plenty of water and wear sturdy shoes. The hike can be tough, but the reward is priceless. 9. Svalbard Archipelago. The Svalbard Archipelago is a place where nature reigns supreme. Located halfway between mainland Norway and the North Pole, Svalbard is a land of glaciers, polar bears, and endless Arctic wilderness. The main settlement, Longyearbyen, is a colorful town with a surprising array of cultural activities and high-quality dining. Whether you're dog sledding through the snow, exploring ice caves, or hunting for the northern lights, Svalbard offers a once-in-a-lifetime adventure. It's a place where you can truly disconnect from the world and immerse yourself in the raw beauty of the Arctic. 8. The Atlantic Road. The Atlantic Road is a drive like no other. Stretching over 8 kilometers, this iconic road connects the islands of Averøy with the mainland, weaving through a series of causeways and bridges that seem to float on the ocean. It's a road that's been featured in movies and car commercials, and it's easy to see why. The views are stunning, with the ocean crashing against the rocks and the mountains rising in the distance. It's a drive that's as exhilarating as it is beautiful, a must-do for any road trip enthusiast visiting Norway. 7. Ålesund is a city that feels like it's been pulled straight out of a fairy tale. With its Art Nouveau architecture, stunning coastal setting, and panoramic views from Mount Aksla, Ålesund is one of Norway's most picturesque towns. The city was rebuilt after a devastating fire in 1904, and today it's a showcase of beautiful pastel-colored buildings that line the harbor. The town is also a gateway to the fjords, making it a perfect base for exploring the surrounding natural wonders. Ålesund is a place where history and beauty come together in perfect harmony. 6. Jotunheimen National Park. Jotunheimen National Park is a land of giants, home to Norway's highest peaks, including Galdhøpiggen. The park is a paradise for hikers and nature lovers. The Besseggen Ridge hike is one of the most famous in Norway, offering stunning views of turquoise lakes, towering mountains, and deep valleys. The park is also home to glaciers, waterfalls, and a wide variety of wildlife, including reindeer and golden eagles. Whether you're an experienced mountaineer or just looking for a peaceful place to connect with nature, Jotunheimen offers some of the most breathtaking landscapes in Norway. 5. Trolltunga, or the Troll's Tongue, is one of Norway's most spectacular natural wonders. The cliff juts out 700 meters above Lake Ringadalsvatnet, offering a view that's both thrilling and awe-inspiring. The hike to Trolltunga is challenging, taking anywhere from 10 to 12 hours round trip, but the reward is one of the most iconic photo spots in the world. The cliff was formed by glaciers during the Ice Age, and today it's a bucket list destination for adventurers from around the globe. Just be sure to start early. The hike is long, and the weather can change quickly. 4. Stavanger is a city that's full of surprises. With its mix of old and new, Stavanger offers something for everyone. Explore the cobblestone streets of Gamle Stavanger, where hundreds of white wooden houses from the 18th century are beautifully preserved. Visit the Stavanger Cathedral, the oldest in Norway, or relax on one of the nearby sandy beaches. Stavanger is also a gateway to some of Norway's most famous natural attractions, including Preikestolen and Kjerag. Whether you're looking for history, culture, or outdoor adventure, Stavanger is a city that's sure to leave a lasting impression. 3. The Western Fjords. The Western Fjords of Norway are some of the most stunning natural landscapes on the planet. With their deep blue waters, towering cliffs, and lush green valleys, the fjords are a place where nature's beauty is on full display. Nærøyfjord and Geirangerfjord are the most famous, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Take a ferry ride through the fjords to experience the majesty of these natural wonders up close. The Western Fjords are a place where you can truly disconnect from the world and immerse yourself in the raw beauty of nature. 2. The Northern Lights in Alta Alta is one of the best places in Norway to witness the Northern Lights. Located in the far north, Alta offers clear skies and little light pollution, making it the perfect spot to see the aurora borealis in all its glory. The lights dance across the sky in shades of green, purple, and pink, creating a spectacle that's both magical and humbling. There are plenty of guided tours available, offering everything from snowmobile safaris to reindeer sledding. Whether you're a seasoned aurora hunter or a first-time visitor, seeing the northern lights in Alta is an experience you'll never forget. 1. Kristiansand. Kristiansand, the largest city in southern Norway, is a gem for travelers seeking both culture and relaxation. Its old town, Posebyen, is filled with charming wooden houses and cobblestone streets. Kristiansand also boasts one of Norway's best beaches, perfect for a lazy summer day. For families, the Dyreparken Zoo and Amusement Park are a must-visit, offering fun for all ages. Just outside the city, the Lindesnes Lighthouse, Norway's southernmost point, offers stunning views of the coastline. Whether you're indulging in fresh seafood or exploring historical sites, Kristiansand is a city that promises a blend of adventure and tranquility. Norway is a land of unparalleled beauty, where every corner offers something extraordinary. From the towering cliffs of Geirangerfjord to the Arctic wilderness of Svalbard, these 15 breathtaking places are just a glimpse of what this Nordic paradise has to offer. Whether you're planning your next adventure or simply dreaming of new horizons, Norway should be at the top of your list. If you enjoyed this journey through Norway, don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update, and start planning your trip to these incredible destinations today.